Number 1. When you complete a task, it means you. The correct answer is C. Finish it. When you complete a task, it means you finish it. Number 2. Which of the following means sufficient amount of salt? The correct answer is C. Enough salt. Which of the following means sufficient amount of salt? Enough salt. Number 3. Shelley made a remark about my shoes. The correct answer is B. She commented. Shelley made a remark about my shoes. The synonym of remark is comment. She commented. Number 4. To master a language is to. The correct answer is C. Become skilled at it. To master a language is to become skilled at it. Number 5. To hail someone is to. The correct answer is D. Greet him or her. To hail someone is to greet him or her. Number 6. Maya has a complete set of Jane Austen's books. She has. The correct answer is D. All of Jane Austen's books. Maya has a complete set of Jane Austen's books. She has all of Jane Austen's books. Number 7. How do you feel when you are at ease? The correct answer is C. Comfortable. How do you feel when you are at ease? Comfortable. Number 8. The ice skater was filled with dismay when she heard the ice crack under her. The correct answer here is B. Very worried. The ice skater was filled with dismay when she heard the ice cracked under her. Very worried. Number 9. An architect can work with you to create a master plan for developing your house. The correct answer here is D. The main plan. An architect can work with you to create a master plan for developing your house. The synonym of master plan is the main plan. Number 10. What should you do when there is hail? The correct answer is A. Take shelter. What should you do when there is hail? Take shelter.